What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 41 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on screen, it's Friday, October 8th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. As you can see already, your boy picked up a few more shares this week. As you can see highlighted in blue, I picked up 30 shares of charge point at 1888 on the first, and then workhorse. As you can see, I went ahead and killed it. That's why you see this negative sign there next to the number of shares, because once it hit 50, that was my threshold of how long I was planning on holding that thing, and I was willing to take the loss on it. It kept going down and down even more, even after I sold it. I think from over the past 52 weeks, I think it's like down 70%. And you have charge point at 1790, bought 20 shares on the 5th, and then bought 3 shares of Apple at 141.65 on the 5th, and then also 5 shares of Apple at 150.47. Moving down to deposits. I did not deposit any more cash this week, and last week we were at 11,781, so we'll have to see what I'm at. And then again, the grand total is still 93.50. So with that being said, let's go and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. I'm currently sitting at 11,873.20 for the week, almost up 1%. So not bad, definitely better than last week. Buying power is now sitting at $1,604.39. And let's go ahead and go into the plays. Charge point for the week down 2.87% with a current market value of $1394.25. My total return is down 1.75%, 75 shares. And then let's go ahead and go into the history so you can see everything matches up with my tracker. On the 30th, bought 25 shares. On the 1st, 30 shares at 1888. And then on the 5th, 20 shares at 1790. Now moving on to app point for the week, up 3.47%. Market value 1340.75. Still down about 40% in this play, and sitting with 155 shares. AMC for the week down 4.15%. Total market value 747.60, and I'm down 6.62% with average cost of $40. Future FinTech up 3.4% for the week, still down about 42% or 41.35%. Average cost is $363, sitting with over 1,000 shares of this. Nike for the week up 3.78%. Total market value $1219.84 now, sitting up above 1%. Average cost is $150.32, and I'm sitting with 8 shares of that. Apple for the week almost up 1%. Market value is $2145.73. Total return a little bit above 2.5% with the average cost of $139.10, and I'm sitting with 15 shares of that. Now moving into the dividend plays. Crestwood Equity for the week down 0.28%. Hold on to 278.34. Total return of 62.47 with the average cost of 17.48. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, up about 0.5% for the week. Total market value 704.46. Average return is 32.58, and average cost of 175.39 with 3 shares of this. And now we're gonna go into my transfers so you can see how much money I deposited. Here we are, guys, inside my completed transfers tab. As you can see, I haven't deposited anything since September 20th. And with that being said, guys, that is all I have for this video. If you made this far in the video, make sure you smash that like button on the way out, and I will see you in the next one. Hope you have a green week next week. Peace.